Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm telling y'all. Oh my God. Yummy. Thumbs up. Taste yummy, yummy sandwich make me wanna dance.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, Offset Trucking. Okay, so today we're gonna try something different. I'm gonna show you guys another side of me. Today we're gonna do some cooking. Yep, you heard it, some cooking. Okay, so I've been thinking, I didn't even know if they, which nowadays everything you think of, it's already been done. Okay, but I wanted to eat some shrimp sandwich. Okay, shrimp sandwich. Right. I was like, man, I want to eat it so bad. And guess what? I say, F it. I'm gonna buy me the ingredients and then I'm gonna make it. Now, we outside of Publix. We're gonna do some shopping. We're going in, and first thing first, always make sure you grab some wipes. And then we're gonna get a cart. The reason why I get cart, I'm not only here to shop for shrimp. I need some water. Okay. So I need some water. So I gotta get me a cart. All right. That's good. So now, when we're done with this, throw that crap away. So now we gotta look and see where is the. Now we gotta look for the shrimp. I think shrimp gotta be over there. But okay, we see braids. How about we go look? We shop for the bread first. Okay. Now we need some sandwich breads. Breads that is made for sandwiches. All right. We're in the right house. All right. So, do I need the flatbreads? I say bed. What the frick? Flatbread? Or do I need the long ones? Look like you can make hot dogs, but I look too small, y'all. Too small. Okay. Oh, which one could we get? Oh, these. Still look small. Still small. These are kind of big. Let me see. If there's no other option, I'm probably gonna go with it. What about these? Okay, might try these. And put that sucker here. Sucker back. What about these? Okay. These are big and long. The reason why I need a big and long one, because I wanna feel it. When I'm eating that sucker, I wanna feel it, but and rich and whatever. That's a big bread. That's probably the bread, y'all. That's probably the bread that we're looking for. All right, that's the bread. So right now we're looking for the shrimps. Shrimp. Where are you, shrimps? Should we just buy them like this, or should we just go and get the bags? So these are medium shrimp. I don't think that's the one I need. Medium shrimp. Nah, that's probably not the one I need.
It's these here. Okay. These are the they cook. Let's give you another bag.
I was gonna ask, does it make more sense if you buy the bags or if you just buy them by the pound?
You can get either one. Because them on sale, buy one, get one free.
These are on sale, buy one, get one free?
Yes.
$20?
$22.99.
$22.99, buy one, get one free. But
These them like
$11 a pound.
$11.99 a pound.
So which one would you do? Buy one, get one free.
Yes.
I got you. I'm gonna get them. Yeah. So is it like the 19? Because they got different prices. That's a $19.49.
They different size.
So it didn't matter which size I picked.
No, you just use the one on sale, the 26.30, the extra large. Because each side is different.
I mean, why not? I love me some shrimp. Okay, two for $22.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
No problem.
All right. Now I need me some cheese. Mozzarella cheese. That's the cheese I always creamy melt. This might be the one. Oh. I get that one. Low moisture, whatever. Huh. Might go with this one. So I had to get me some tomatoes, and I already got a bag. All right. Already got a bag of tomatoes. So now it's time to go check out. See that little thing? Gonna cost me a lot of money. Watch. Go to the register right now. And just like that, I feel like I'm at Walmart because the registers are full. So now we're gonna do the wait game. The waiting game. Let's see that one. Probably. Yep. Let's try this one. Oh, between those two, I'm gonna ask the price for them. See which one makes sense. So I'm done now. I'm about to put them crab in my car.
I'm in the kitchen right now. As you guys can see, I'm washing my shrimp. Okay, I'm not about to eat the shrimp without washing it. Put some lemon on it. Make sure it's washed really good and it smells really good too. So next step, make sure you add some butter. Okay, some butter in your hot whatever you're cooking on. Okay, so the butter is in because I don't really like to use real oil when I'm doing shrimp like other stuff like that. I do use oil though, but not for those kind of cooking. Okay, so my butter is melting. All right, melting. Okay, now I'm putting some garlic. Okay, so they sell those like they already prepared. Like I got the one that's not prepared already, but I got those. So I got all kind of you know ingredients. So had the shrimp. Oh my god, I really, really, really love shrimp. As you guys can see, the juice that coming out of it, mwah. It's yummy, 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 yummy. I mean, I haven't tasted it yet because it's not cooked yet, but I know it's gonna be yummy because I'm the one that's cooking it. Okay, I'm the one that's doing it, so I know for a fact it's gonna be yummy. All right. So now I'm gonna grab some ingredients to put in. Okay. So first one. So the reason why I add the lemon juice, I don't know. I always like my shrimp to have some kind of lemon taste, some texture. I feel like it's way yummier when you use those kind of things. So now we're gonna have bell pepper, okay, the powder, okay. After this one, the next one gonna be, yep, that's some spicy stuff, okay. But to be honest, it's not that spicy compared to spicy. I don't know if you guys get it. Okay. And then now we're gonna have some Creole seasoning. Okay. Some of you guys might not know about this one, but y'all better check it out. It's really good Creole seasonings. And I got multiple of them. Okay. That's another one that I'm gonna add to it. Oh my God, I'm telling y'all, that thing already smells good. Okay, smelling good. I cannot wait to eat that sandwich. I know you're watching, you wanna, I know you would like to taste it too. Okay, so move on. We're putting parsley. So there you go. Putting some parsley. Okay, I bet the neighbor can smell it by now. The neighbor, yes, I know they're gonna be knocking on my door asking me for something. So now this is like a Jamaican spice thing, okay? Jamaican seasoning. This one is not really spicy. It's the mild one, but it's kind of spicy. A little bit, not too much. Okay? So now we gonna play around with the shrimp. Okay, make sure every one of them got the juice. Ooh, yeah, smelling good. I know you can smell it from the phone, through the phone. Now test it, and as I know, it tastes good already. Good. Like I'm not even playing. Good. Okay, so now we're gonna have more stuff, more seasoning, and make sure you guys don't put too much because you don't want too much seasoning. You know, might make your food not taste good. Okay, so right now I'm getting my bread, putting some cheese on my bread. Okay, while my shrimp is getting ready, I'm getting my bread ready. It's always important to get everything kind of ready. So now, as you can see, look at it. I know it kind of look like burn, okay, but it's just like the crispy in it, okay. So now look at the bread. Holy moly! Look at the bread. Looks yummy, 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 yummy. Okay. Yep. So right now I'm putting my tomatoes, lettuce, okay, lettuce and tomatoes. All right, what a perfect combination. I know I talk a lot, but it's just I can't help it. It's really good. It's looking yummy. Look at it. And now shrimp is ready, and I'm oh my God, putting the shrimp on it, putting the shrimp in it. Even the police wanna come to get some chicken. Nah, it's not chicken. Some shrimp sandwich. But I ain't gonna lie, I'd rather go to jail than giving y'all my shrimp sandwich. Okay. All right. So now looking at my shrimp sandwich. Tell me who else can make a shrimp sandwich like this? Okay? I'm not even done yet. I got more stuff to add to it. And that is drum roll. Damn, police is after me. But yeah, had some mayo in it, guys. Some mayo. So if you want to, you can add other sauce on it, like the one that you like or whatever. But me, I like the mayo, so that's why I add mayo on it. Okay, and voila, this is how I make my shrimp sandwich. It's really looking good. It's didn't really take a lot of time to do. Okay, so now, oh my God. Oh my God. I'm telling y'all. Oh my God. Yummy. Thumbs up. Taste yummy. Yummy sandwich make me want to dance.